Hello! Today we are making Turkish breakfast food, the most delicious menemen. Here's how to make it. For 2 servings, you'll need 2 anaheim peppers or pepperoncinis and 3 tomatoes. Cut the top of the pepper and clean the seeds. If the pepper is hot, the seeds are hotter, so by cleaning them, you'll be able to control the heat in the dish. Also, seeds might be hard and you probably wouldn't want that. Slice the peppers and set them aside. Then cut the tomatoes in half and grate them. Trust me, this makes all the difference and gives the dish a quite nice juicy finish. Much better than just simply dicing the tomatoes. Keep grating until all you're left with thin flattened piece around the stem. Moving on to the cooking part, drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and add sliced peppers in. Saute them over medium heat until their bright color turns into a faded green color. At that point, add grated tomatoes in and let them cook for 6 to 7 minutes, occasionally stirring, until juice from the tomatoes is reduced by half. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, and season the dish with some freshly grounded pepper. Crack 2 eggs in and lightly mix them for flavors to blend. When eggs are cooked, take it off of heat and serve it while hot. Turkish breakfasts are usually quite rich in quantity of the food served and generous in servings, and menemen is a must-try out of these. It's one of the most palatable, savory breakfast foods that you can wish for. This savory dish is definitely a healthy start to your day with some bagels and cheese on the side. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. And tell us in the comments what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.